Hello, I'm Ethan from Qingdao TNT Homewares. With the uprooting of 2021, except the new design for fabric collection, we designed many new mixing baskets. That is our natural collection. Now, let's check the sample from this hamper. The top material is paper, and the bottom is rush. And you can change the color of the paper to white or brown, gray. These colors are always in trend. For the rush, the Canada and Australia customer like this material very much. For this hamper, we designed the cutout handles. And you can check it inside. This hamper measures 43 and 40 centimeters high, so it provides ample space for your laundry. And you also can put your kids' toys inside. It's a large space. You can put many things inside. Toys. And for the hamper, we have the white version. And because the tapered shape, so when we package, we can stack the basket one by one to save the package.